Hi family, how are you all doing? I would love for every one of you to be fine and safe in this insane world. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you guys what my hair is looking like at 1 month and 1 week. I am going to show you guys two versions of my hair. The first one is going to be the dried version. You get to see what my hair looks like when I wake up in the morning. And the second slide is going to be the wet part, showing you guys what my hair looks like when I pour water on it. My hair stretches out a little and we get to see a little bit of difference right here. The only thing I've really noticed so far is shrinkage and the frizz. Let's not forget about the frizz. No one really told me even in locks my hair is going to shrink as it will normally shrink as a loose natural. I guess I wasn't really prepared for this part. This is my hair in its dry state and in all of its glory. I can't believe we're 1 month into this journey already. You know, time flies. Someone said time flies by even when you're not having fun. I hope you're having fun and I hope you're doing the things you love. I plan on letting my hair sit through September without a retwist. I embarked on this journey 5 weeks ago and by month end I should be 2 months in. Nah man, I'm excited about the future. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now. Love ya.